That's tequila. That's cups. That's Jack Daniels and cigarettes.
Yeah.
That's a Confederate bathing suit. That's Kelly. No one really cares.
Zach's making a big drink.
That's Zach. He's making a drink for me.
You know, we're gonna look back at things.
That's Confederate pride, bitches. All right, we're gonna have a beach pull off in 2-wheel drive. Someone's gonna sink.
We're both gonna sing.
Gotta
We'll
hook up.
laugh if neither of us go anywhere.
See this motherfucker? That's a D-ring for y'all bitches. That's American and Texas pride. We don't really like Barack Obama. Get the fuck out of office. Fuck Osama. I wish he'd watch up on my beach.
Hey Jordan, pull forward.
What?
Pull forward until it's
Zach,
time.
get your ass. Hey, do you want that one or do you want her to drink it?
I will drink it gladly.
Which one's the stronger one?
This one.
That one has less tea in it.
That is tea and tequila. I'm not really sure how this is gonna taste.
Pretty good, actually.
Try it. It's fucking good. I would have held it for you.
It's not that bad, to be honest with you. All right, Jordan's pulling forward. Gotta get the strap tight.
You break your truck, don't you bitch me?
See this? See this? That's tighter than a baby and a pussy right there, motherfucker.
Alright, we need a girl in each bed.
He's filming that shit.
Hey, a girl in each bed.
If I saw-
No.
Oh my goodness.
Never mind.
If something does snap off, it's gonna go flying right through one of our back windows. That's true.
Never mind.
Someone's gotta get the go.
What do I do for go?
Stand over there.
What am I supposed to do?
Katrina, she's gonna say go.
Do I just say go? Like that's it?
Hold on. Get ready.
Alrighty, already?
Yep.
Yeah, go!
Chevy. Absolutely nothing happened. They just dug holes. 4-wheel drive.
Wait, Jordan, wait.
Ready?
Hey, Jordan, wait. What are we doing? What?
Oh, hey, 4-wheel drive!
No, we're gonna take this one in too. Hey, we still got multiple opinion for you, Al.
You got it?
Damn it, Jordan got scared.
Oh,
I thought you said you could sit in the front end.
All right, Jordan's getting back in his holes. On your mark. Katrina, say go.
Ready? Go!
Neither one's going anywhere. They're pretty well fucked.
Oh, Jordan got scared again.
Hey, redo it without the holes.
Yeah.
Hey, reset them up.
Get back up.
Dylan's truck doesn't seem to want to go in 4-wheel drive, but it's a Chevy. There it goes. I want my baby back
Hold up.
baby back ribs. Chili.
Alright, Jordan, 4-wheel drive right now.
4-wheel drive.
I'm in 4.
4 high or 4 low?
4 high or 4 low? I don't think, we're just gonna bog it 4 high. Yeah, I'm in 4 low. Alright, 4 low. Are you in 4 low? Yeah. Alright, pull forward.
Dylan, rearrange your truck.
Hey, hold on, Jordan.
That stomach
Jordan,
jiggling.
hold on. He's gonna re-angle it.
Woo! That's Gage. He's a fucking fat kid like me.
All right, whoa.
Wait.
There.
You're tight.
Alright. One more time. Wait.
Hold on.
Ready? Go!
All right. 4-wheel drive pull on the sand does not work with mud tires. As you just figured out.
Not with mud tires.
Want to see my pecker?
See my pecker.
I don't really equally match.
Trying to make a good YouTube video.
No,
Everybody get drunk on the beach, except for her.
not me.
She can't get drunk. She's a minor.
What?
We don't have any cups at the moment. You're gonna have to
They're in
find
the back
one.
of Jordan.
Never know.
She's a hooch.
Inside. In the bag.
Hey, Jordan, can you grab me a cup?
And Gavin, wherever the fuck he's at, I can't find him. Gavin, where are you, goddammit?
He's still buzzed, leave him alone.
There he is. He's recovering from a hangover. Zach, he's just a stoner.
Hey, it's not that bad.
Cheers!
Yeah.
I didn't get on this.
Oh, you didn't get in on our cheers? Come get in on our cheers.
Yes!
What, bitch?
Get in on our cheers.
I can't wait to see this video.
You ready?
Cheers,
Yeah.
bitches!
Good shit.
It's a little two-wheel drive donut for you. Dylan's just kind of burying himself right now. I don't know what's going on. There he goes.
Alright, donut contest? Yes. Best donut?
Get out of my
Now we
picture.
can get in the truck.
Get out of my
I was getting on this one. I wasn't completely far in the truck.
Here.
That's a sinking contest right there.
There's not a fucking.
Can't get out. Oh, shit.
Dylan, as you can tell, is to his pipes. Jordan backs out pretty easily. Then again, it's a Dodge. What do you expect? See, now here's a Ford F-150 right here. It's lowered. Got the brother rims. Got the low pro tires.
First one stuck.
Sitting on 20s,
Thanks for holding my drink.
but it'll be okay. He's gonna try to do some donuts.
I'll eat a whole bunch of me, okay?
Say smile for the camera, bitches. Hold on.
Bitches! Go away!
Oh!
Take pictures. Go away!
Gage, flex your titties.
Like show
I can't do that. I used to know how to do that. I can't do it anymore.
I can do it if I'm laying in bed.
Yeah, well, yeah, if you lay it down.
Dylan doing a little bit of a burnout.
Let down the party.
No big deal. See that flag that says don't tread on me? Gavin right here. The F-150 does good donuts. I can't lie. I don't know if you could see how fast his tires were spinning, but they were spinning pretty quick.
Is that a challenge?
Hey, that's what mine looked like. Totally split out.
I think he's challenging you. I think he's challenging you. That's a shitty ass 40. That's Dodge. That's obviously a Dodge. That's a Ford. Blue, white smoke. Donuts on the beach. Gotta love it.
Now that's the section. Now we need to get this one right here.
See that right there? Even the women say fuck niggers. Sorry for the N-word. I'm really not racist, to be honest with you.
I am.
You're such a liar. You said you
Dylan's racist.
Look what I just said to my knee.
Look what I just... Hold on, let me zoom in on this.
No, are you?
How'd you do that?
God damn, I saw stretch marks.
Hey,
No, you did not. I did not have stretch marks.
no,
Oh, just
everybody's
do-
gonna do it. We gotta wait for Jordan.